Did you see that? What is up, VGOD YouTube? I am Johnny Gromas, and we are at the VGOD Studios, and we are doing a segment today of a game of Vape. It is the #1 requested segment. Over 500,000 views in under a month. But before we start, I want to give you a huge thanks for 100K. I cannot believe we made it. But anyways, the reason I am so nervous because I am playing someone today, and I am so nervous because the man, the myth, the legend is here. A-Kid. Hi. So this is Vajani2_VGOD versus A_Kids. And referee with Brandon VGOD.
Rules of the game, it's just like a standard game of horse. You go back and forth in between tricks. Whoever doesn't land a landed trick gets a letter. Last letter gets 2 tries.
Also, Brandon forgot to say that the initial push, if you mess that up, it doesn't count as your trick. It's when you start the trick, you mess up, your turn is over.
A-Kids goes first.
Oh, no, that's the beginning of the end right there. Oh,
I think that's a make.
I have tried this all 0 times in my lifetime.
The V for Johnny. Good.
Hit. Trying to bribe him to lose. Oh, take back that roll now. Oh! I gotta bust out the big guns. Sharp bend under the arm 360.
It's a make.
He's gonna hit it, I know it.
That's a V.
A for A-Kids. We like to do a segment called warm up when Johnny's gone. So do whatever you can. Okay, where was that earlier before he got the V?
What are you gonna pull out on him secretly?
Yeah, what are you gonna do?
I don't know. Do a hand dolphin. He can't do that.
Yeah.
He's so bad at
I
that.
think if you do a hand dolphin, he'll freak out and want to give up on the spot. So prosper. Oh yeah. He won't know what hit him. Right now we got a wild A-Kids practicing for Vape Olympics against a wild Vajani 2.
I'm scared for Johnny.
Yeah, I'm scared too.
Sorry, buddy. And we're back.
Head bend the elbow. This hand under the arm. Try to get across this one.
In the caption?
Oh, he got it. That's it.
Oh!
You see his cape flying in the wind? That's what happened. See the movie Incredibles? Never get a cape, dude.
Never.
That's how you get sucked into the airplane when we go traveling and stuff.
Insert clip from Incredibles movie.
Splashdown, sucked into a vortex. No kicks.
Scared over there, huh?
Go for triple. Was that only a single? It's a single hand split.
Oh shit! That count? It's kind of there.
That's up to Rand.
You can see it on this camera.
Oh, it's there. Yep, it's there.
Bottom suck vertical.
To each lens.
Back to back, bro.
V.A.P.E to V.A.P.E.
And it's A-Kid's.
And it's A.K.A.T.'s turn.
I never missed that in my life. Great to the God said he doesn't know this. I'm afraid you guys gotta hit this.
That wasn't. It was a normal dolphin. Unless you want to redo it.
No redo because I didn't do it. Orcus play. Anyways, we're closing out this segment. Shouts out to Byron Dattow, aka A-Kids, for coming out and throwing down. That was really, really freaking close. Once again, this is A-Kids. I'm Johnny Gromis. Comment down below what you guys want to see next. Comment all your feedback down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And possibly, if you guys comment enough, we'll get a round 2 going. We'll see you guys next time.